So this is game design, and game design is an introductory course. What you got? You figured out colors. Yeah. The students are learning how to create games.
This is the VRHS program, so this is where we import all of our scripts. If I didn't have a script on the camera, then it wouldn't be following the character around like this. I really like playing video games. I like pixel art. I like doing creative stuff, so it seemed like fun. I don't know how to code, but I like all the other aspects of game design.
My friends took it and they said it was a pretty fun class, so I decided to take it, and I've been enjoying it a lot.
Why would he not drop? Is there a plane in there?
He has a rigid body.
Right. I think it's not just how to use the programs Unity and Blender, but also how to think through problems, debug, being able to design a whole project and manage that project on your own. Basically a life skill for anything that you work in, especially in tech fields.
It's like pretty interesting because I haven't done this stuff before, so it's kind of cool to like start doing it. Right now I'm working on like a camera thing for game design, so like how the camera works, like following something or like just showing like around.
The snowman model that I have behind me, I made that completely in Blender. That was like a thing that I made, and I put together this whole scene with like free 3D models and stuff. So I think it's just really fun like putting stuff together and making scenes.
A lot of times what I see is students running with the concepts and going way beyond what I even know how to do. I've had kids make games that they probably could sell and make money on. You know, I'm not looking for that, but it's awesome when it happens.
I think it's really cool that like we have such a huge computer lab and like we have a program that is pretty specialized for game design. Like I think it is a really good opportunity for people who might want to explore other careers that aren't like a traditional path.